Every steel journey begins with exploration, identifying iron-rich zones hidden beneath the earth.
Claims. Modern technology allows precise mapping before any excavation begins.
Core samples reveal the quality and depth of iron ore underground. Collected samples are secured and sent for detailed laboratory analysis.
Laboratory testing confirms whether the ore meets steelmaking standards.
Engineers digitally design the mine for efficiency and safety. Modern steel production begins with strict environmental protection. Smart systems ensure accuracy from the first operation. After preparation, the site is ready for extraction. And now, the journey from earth to steel truly begins. After planning is complete, large-scale iron ore mining begins. Advanced excavators remove iron ore with precision and efficiency. The extracted ore is immediately prepared for transport. Automated logistics ensure continuous material flow.
Raw iron ore now enters the preparation stage.
Crushers reduce the ore into manageable sizes. Screening ensures consistent material quality. Only iron-rich material continues forward. The prepared ore moves steadily toward steelmaking. Now ready, the ore enters the steel factory. The heart of steelmaking is the blast furnace. Carefully measured materials enter the furnace. Inside, temperatures reach over 1,500 degrees. Coke fuels the chemical transformation.
Pure iron melts and settles at the base.
Lighter slag forms a protective layer.
Now, the molten iron is ready to flow.
Molten iron is released with precision. These ladles carry iron to refining. The journey towards steel has begun. This is the basic oxygen furnace, where molten iron transforms into steel. Molten iron is carefully transported to the furnace for refining. The furnace is designed to withstand extreme heat and chemical reactions. Oxygen is injected to remove carbon, purifying the iron. The reaction burns impurities, forming molten slag on the surface.
Molten slag is removed, leaving refined steel behind.
Alloying ensures the steel meets exact specifications.
Advanced sensors constantly monitor the steel's quality.
The refined molten steel is ready for shaping into billets. And so, molten iron has been transformed into high-quality steel. Here in the continuous casting plant, molten steel begins its transformation into solid billets. Ladles are precisely aligned to feed molten steel into the casting system. The tundish distributes molten steel evenly into the molds below. Water-cooled molds begin forming the steel into precise billet shapes. Steel gradually solidifies while maintaining consistent temperature and quality. Rollers steadily guide each billet along the casting line.
Billets are cooled in a precise environment to prevent stress and deformation.
Advanced sensors ensure every billet meets strict quality standards. Billets are cut to exact lengths, ready for further processing. Finally, the steel billets are ready for rolling into wire rods. This is the rolling mill, where steel billets begin their transformation into wire rods. Billets are heated to precise temperatures for rolling. The heat softens the steel for smooth shaping. Steel billets are reheated to extreme temperatures to prepare them for rolling. At this heat, the steel becomes soft and highly formable. The heated billets now move toward the rolling mill. Billets are precisely fed into the rolling stands. The roughing mill begins shaping the billet. Each pass refines the steel's form and structure. The billet passes through multiple rolling stages.
Speed increases to control strength and grain alignment.
The billets elongate as powerful rollers shape them into rods. Temperature is continuously monitored for consistency. The steel gradually transforms into a rod shape. The finishing mill defines the final wire rod size. Multiple rolling stages refine diameter and surface quality.
Cooling is carefully controlled to prevent stress or warping.
Cooling rate affects strength and flexibility. Controlled cooling stabilizes mechanical properties.
The finished wire rod is coiled automatically.
Coiling ensures safe handling and storage of the rods.
Uniform coils ensure easy handling and transport. This completes the transformation from billet to wire rod.
Each rod is checked for straightness, surface defects, and dimensions. Finally, the wire rods are ready for packaging and distribution.
Hot-rolled wire rods enter a precise cooling zone to stabilize their structure. Cooling is carefully managed to avoid thermal stress or warping.
Advanced sensors ensure every rod reaches the ideal temperature.
Every rod undergoes meticulous inspection for defects and uniformity.
Robots strap each coil securely, preparing it for handling.
Each coil is labeled for traceability and quality assurance.
Automated cranes organize coils efficiently for dispatch.
Forklifts transport the finished coils safely to storage and trucks.
The packaging area ensures every product is ready for global distribution.
And so, hot steel is transformed into high-quality wire rods, ready for the world. This is the Quality Assurance Lab, where every wire rod batch is rigorously tested.
Samples are carefully taken from each batch for comprehensive testing. Tensile tests measure strength and flexibility to meet standards.
Spectrometers ensure the alloy composition is precise and consistent.
Hardness testing confirms the durability and wear resistance of each rod.
Automated scanners detect any imperfections before approval. Certified labels guarantee each coil meets international standards.
Senior engineers review every detail before final approval. Approved coils are organized efficiently for shipping worldwide.
Through rigorous testing and certification, only the highest quality wire rods leave the factory. This is the packaging zone, where wire rod coils are prepared for secure shipment.
Robotic systems secure each coil, preventing movement during transport.
Every coil is labeled for traceability and compliance with international standards.
Automated cranes efficiently arrange coils for storage and easy retrieval.
Forklifts transport coils safely from storage to the dispatch area. Cranes load the coils precisely, ensuring stable transport. Trucks are loaded and ready to deliver wire rods worldwide.
Advanced systems coordinate routes to ensure timely and safe deliveries.
The warehouse stores coils efficiently before they are dispatched to customers.
From production to dispatch, every step is controlled to deliver quality wire rods safely. The journey begins as wire rods leave the factory for delivery around the world.
Modern logistics networks ensure timely and safe transport of steel coils.
Advanced tracking systems allow precise monitoring of every shipment.
Coils are handled carefully at distribution hubs to maintain quality.
Precision loading ensures every coil reaches the client safely.
Containers are sealed and labeled for secure global transport. Large shipments are loaded efficiently at ports for international delivery.
Steel coils travel across oceans under careful monitoring for safe arrival.
Clients receive their wire rod orders, ready for production and use.
From our factory to factories worldwide, steel wire rods are delivered with precision and care.